Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching Toya JTV. Today I am showing you the behind the scenes of my by L.Jones warehouse, quote unquote. So basically the room that I am using to make the products, store the products, and all of that is just getting too small. The business is growing and I'm not quite ready to go into a warehouse right now, just because of the pandemic and everything that's going on. So I'm kind of just trying to make the best of the room that I have. So we have a pretty large garage, so I just bought some new shelving, and I'm storing all of the products in the garage right now. So I'm making them in one room and then I'm storing them somewhere else just to give me a little bit more room. So as you can see here, I'm just taking everything that I have already made and I'm organizing it and just getting it a little bit more neat so that as I'm filling you guys' orders, it'll be much easier for me to just come, pull it off the shelf, pack it up and ship it instead of just having everything in boxes everywhere because I was running out of room in my other space. So what you see me doing now is I've just did the braiding and extension collection. I'm storing all those items together. I like to keep everything in each collection together so it's just easier for me. So I did the shampoo. This is the conditioner that I'm putting on the bottom shelf. And then we have the braid spray that I'll also be putting kind of on the same shelf, but some of it will go on the next shelf. This is the moment where I am just so happy that I worked so many years in retail. When you work retail, they teach you how to stock the shelves, how to make sure all of your labels are turned facing, the front, how to make everything nice and neat. And literally all of those years of retail are coming. Like I'm using all of that right now to get everything. You have to excuse that camera for moving. My little one was caught himself trying to come and help me out, but yeah, so I'm just so glad that I worked all those years in retail because I know how to put the stuff on the shelf correctly, how to organize it in a neat, nice way, to make just the process easier. So now I'm moving on to the baby collection. It has way more items in it, so I needed more shelving for that. So you'll see me putting the baby collection on way more shelves. It has like 7 items in it, so I needed more room for that. And while I finish that up, I'm going to show y'all the before and after. So this is the room where I was making and storing the stuff. See how junky and cluttered it was? And here's the after. Much better. I'm so happy with the way everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.